Firsts are always special. First relationship, first kiss, first salary, and that first investment. You feel you have grown up. It's time to take care of your family and become serious about your goals. But for most of us who have never dealt with money and come from conservative middle-class families, it can be very scary. While people around you are busy discussing equity, mutual funds, gold and whatnot, you don't even know the ABCs of these things. Oh gosh, it's tough. Where do I even start? How do I invest my first 1,000 rupees? Don't worry. Today I'll help you get over that scary feeling and invest your first 1,000 rupees in mutual funds confidently. Just stay with me till the end. Hello everyone, I'm CA Twinkle Jain. First, what are mutual funds? Imagine you love cakes. You can bake it yourself, but that means you'll have to know all the right ingredients, baking time and techniques. Or you could just buy it from a bakery where the experts have already done the hard work. That way, you can satisfy your cake desire without actually being involved in it. Similarly, you might be scared of investing in the stock market directly, or you might not have enough time to do research, read charts, or predict which stocks will go up and down. In this case, you can rely on a mutual fund manager, a qualified professional who will spread your money across different stocks. They do the research, they study different industries, stocks and companies, they manage your portfolio and they do restructuring or diversification wherever necessary. You just reap the benefits of investing in stocks. Now, this is very important to understand how to invest in mutual funds. There are two ways. First, systematic investment plan, also called as SIP, and second, lump sum. With SIP, you invest a fixed amount regularly. So you are able to build a financial habit over time by investing some money each month for several years. With a lump sum, you invest a larger sum all at once, usually when you receive a yearly bonus, commission or a big payment. This is the most important section of the video. I'm going to give you a 5-step framework to invest your first 1,000 rupees in mutual funds confidently and right now. First, identify your goals. Want to fund your first international trip next year? Or save for your child's higher education in 20 years? Set clear, specific goals to make your investment journey smoother. Second, do your research. Which mutual fund to invest in? Which tool to use? Whether to invest in small cap or large cap or a mix. How much to invest each month? Do your homework. Use online tools to compare mutual funds, their last 5 to 10 years returns, expense ratios, types of stocks bundled together, and so on. Third, create an account. You can find many apps to start your investment journey, but choose the one that offers comparison tools, quick support, and educational resources. Always read the terms and conditions carefully as you're trusting someone with your hard-earned money. Fourth, choose your fund. Pick the fund that aligns with your goals and stands out in your research. Don't obsess over finding the perfect one. Perfection is a myth in both relationships and investments. Fifth, stay consistent. Whether you have cousin's wedding, a tight financial situation, or a slow market, keep investing your money. Don't time the market. Even if you invest just 5,000 rupees each month, you might end up creating wealth in the long term. So, keep this 5-step framework in mind when you take the first step in your investment journey. Hope this helps you just as much as it helped me. That's all for today's video. Keep a lookout on this space for more such content. This is CA Twinkle Jain signing off, helping you make smarter decisions every day.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.